Good day, sir. My name is Jefferson C. Balaba.
And I'm Ruby Skypang from
BSMT section is 2G. In this video, we are going to perform the marine communication process. What is the name of your vessel and call sign identification?
The name of my vessel is MAC Mansalia, call sign Charlie Cubic Mike Echo. Identification 9R2899R60. Spell the name of your vessel.
Mike Sierra Charlie Mike Alpha November Zolo Alpha November India Lima Lima Alpha. What is your flag state?
My flag state is Panama. What is your position?
My position is 36 degrees 48 minutes 0.6 28 north 00 degrees 51 minutes 10.46 west. What is your present course and speed?
My present course is 255 degrees. My speed is 127.7 knots. From what direction are you approaching?
I am approaching from the east. What is your port of destination?
My port of destination is Angkor.
What was your last port of call?
My last port of call was on Angkor. What is your ETA and position?
36 degrees 04 minutes north 00 degrees 20 minutes west. My ETA is 10 o'clock UTC. What is your ETD from Angkor?
My ETD from Angkor is 07 o'clock UTC. What is your drop forward AFT?
My drop forward aft is 9.4 meters. Aft is 9.5 meters. What is your present maximum draft?
My present maximum draft is 9.8 meters. What is your freeboard?
My freeboard is 6.3 meters. What is your air draft?
My air draft is 35.5 meters. Are you underway?
Yes, I am underway. No, I am not underway. I am ready to get underway. What is your full speed? Full maneuvering speed?
My full maneuvering speed is 17 knots. What is your cargo?
My cargo is general cargo containers. Do you carry any dangerous goods?
Yes, I carry the FF dangerous goods 345 kilograms tons IMO class 8 and 9. No, I do not carry any dangerous goods. Do you have any definitions restrictions?
No, I have no deficiencies restrictions. Yes, I have the following deficiencies restrictions. I am MB is constrained by draft. The maximum permitted draft is 2.3 meters. Do you have any list?
Yes, I have a list. To port starboard of 3 degrees. No, I have no list. Are you on even keel?
Yes, I am on even keel. No, I am trimmed by the head stern. That's all, sir. Thank you.